In the previous video, we talked about dangerous signs of hormonal imbalance. Now I'm going to walk you through 3 steps to fix hormonal imbalance. Three steps to fix hormonal imbalance. Disclaimer, this is not a health advice. Step 1. Start with your diet. Cut down on sugar and processed foods. They wreak havoc on your hormones. Instead, fuel your body with nutrient-dense options like leafy greens, healthy fats, and whole grains. Step 2. Prioritize stress management. High stress means high cortisol, which throws off every other hormone. Simple practices like deep breathing, yoga, or even a daily walk can reset your balance and calm your system. Step 3. Support your hormones with better sleep. Poor sleep disrupts everything from insulin to melatonin. Aim for 8 hours of quality rest and stick to a regular sleep schedule to give your body time to heal. These small changes can have a huge impact on your hormonal health. For educative content like this, do care to drop a follow at PAJULIN Global. Share and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next posts. See you on the next one. Bye!